Ordering a taxi by phone.
Hello, welcome.
Hi there. I need a taxi.
Sure, okay. Where from?
Baker Street.
Where to?
The airport.
What time?
7 o'clock.
How many bags?
2 bags.
Big or small car?
Big car, please.
Cash or card?
Card, please. How much?
$30. Your phone number?
555. Driver's name?
His name is Tom.
When does he come?
10 minutes. Anything else?
No, that's all. Any traffic on the way?
Not much today, luckily.
Do I tip the driver?
That's up to you.
Is the car clean?
Yes, always kept clean.
Can I bring my dog?
Yes, that's fine.
Will I get a receipt?
Yes, I'll email one.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Bye now.
Take care now.
Buying medicine at the pharmacy.
Hello there.
Hello, how are you? I have a headache.
I'm sorry.
Do you have pills?
Yes. Here.
How many pills?
1 pill.
When exactly?
Every 6 hours.
With food?
Yes. With food. Any allergies?
No allergies.
Vitamins. 2.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Tablets or syrup.
Tablets, please. How much?
$5. Cash or card.
Card, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
You'll feel better soon.
Thank you. Is this safe for kids?
No, adults only, please.
Need a prescription for this?
No, sold over the counter.
How long until it works?
About 30 minutes, usually. Any other symptoms today?
Just a slight headache. Should I avoid driving?
No, it's non-drug.
Thanks a lot.
Glad I could help.
Goodbye.
Take care now.
Opening a bank account.
Good morning.
Morning to you too. I want an account.
All right then. Your name, please.
Annalie,
Your ID, please.
here it is.
Savings or checking?
Savings, please.
How much to deposit?
$200.
Debit card too?
Yes, please.
Online banking too?
Yes, please.
Sign here, please.
Great done.
Here's your card.
Thank you.
Any questions?
No, thanks.
Welcome to the bank.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there a minimum balance?
No minimum balance required.
Can I add someone else?
Yes, a joint account works.
How do I check balance?
Use our mobile app.
Is there a mobile app?
Yes, free for customers.
When can I use it?
Right away. Today even.
That's great, thanks.
Anytime at all.
See you.
Bye now.
Sending a package at the post office.
Hey there.
Hey, what's up? I have a package.
That's great. Where to?
To Spain.
Put it here, please.
That's perfect.
How heavy is it?
2 kilos.
What's inside?
Some clothes.
Fast or slow?
Fast, please.
Insurance too?
Yes, please. How much?
$15. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Your name, please?
David Kim. Track it online.
Yes. Use this number. Any other packages?
No, that's all. Is it fragile inside?
Yes. Please handle carefully.
Do you sell boxes here?
Yes. Several sizes available.
Can I add a note?
Yes. Write it here.
Is Saturday delivery available?
Yes. For extra fee.
What if it gets lost?
We'll refund you fully.
I appreciate it.
My pleasure. Really. Take care.
You too.
Getting a haircut.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. I want a haircut.
That's perfect. Sit here, please.
Thank you.
Short or long?
Short, please.
Wash first.
Yes, please.
What style?
A simple style.
Trim the sides too?
Yes, please.
Like this?
Perfect. Thank you.
All done.
It looks nice. How much?
$15. Cash or card?
Cash, please.
Come again soon.
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you trim beards too?
Yes, I can do that.
How often should I return?
Every for 6 weeks.
Any product tips for me?
This shampoo works well.
Is this easy to maintain?
Yes, very low maintenance.
Can I book next time?
Sure, what day works?
Thanks so much.
No trouble at all.
Bye for now.
See you soon.
Booking a doctor's appointment by phone.
Hi there.
Hello, welcome in. I need a doctor.
What's wrong?
Sore throat.
I'm sorry. Fever, too.
A little.
When are you free?
Tomorrow, please.
Morning or afternoon?
Morning, please.
10 o'clock.
Yes, please.
Your name, please.
Sarah Wilson.
First visit.
Yes, it is.
Bring your ID card.
Okay, I will. How much is it?
$20. See you then.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Should I fast beforehand?
No fasting needed today.
Do you accept my insurance?
Yes, we accept most plans.
Will I need blood tests?
Possibly, we'll see then.
How long is the visit?
About 20 minutes total.
Can my partner come too?
Yes, that's fine.
Perfect, thank you.
Happy to help. Have a nice day.
You too, bye.
Signing up for a gym membership.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
I want to join.
No problem. Month or year?
1 month, please. How much?
$40. Your name, please?
Sam Park.
Your ID, please?
Here it is.
Free trial class too?
Yes, please.
Yoga or boxing?
Yoga, please.
What time is class?
6 o'clock.
Sign here, please.
Sounds good. Done.
Here's your card.
Thank you.
Any questions?
No, thanks. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are there personal trainers here?
Yes, for extra cost.
Is there a pool to?
Yes, second floor.
Can I freeze my membership?
Yes, up to 2 months.
Do you have locker rooms?
Yes, with private showers.
Is parking free for members?
Yes, completely free.
Thanks for everything.
You're welcome, truly.
Bye.
Take care now.